Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. And welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting unboxing and testing video of the police pickup truck remote control car. This remote control car is sold at an affordable price. This police remote control car is designed specifically for flat and smooth surfaces. As you can see, the police remote control car is available in different shapes and colors. This police remote control car comes with 3D dazzling lights. That is awesome. Here, you can find some instructions on how to install the batteries. This car requires 3 batteries, while the transmitter needs 2 batteries of size AA. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. In this video, I will be testing this police remote control car on different flat and smooth surfaces. And I will give you an honest review of this inexpensive remote control car. But first, let's check out what is in the box. The police remote control car comes with a sleek and compact remote control. This remote control is easy to understand and offers decent responsiveness. The buttons on the remote control have the same color as the car. This remote control requires 2 1.5-volt batteries of size AA to operate. Always ensure proper installation of the batteries. These 2 AA batteries are not included in the box, so you need to purchase them. This police remote control car features a 1/18 scale radio control. Do you know that you can sometimes use one remote control to control multiple RC vehicles having the same frequency? Most RC cars operate at either 27 MHz like this car, or 49 MHz. Let's now take a closer look at the design of this police pickup RC car. Its tires are designed specifically for smooth and flat surfaces. This police car does not have working LED headlights, emergency lights, or a siren. And this police remote control car doesn't have working LED tail lights. At the bottom of this RC car, you can find the battery compartment and the on or off switch. As I mentioned earlier in this video, this police remote control car requires 3 1.5-volt batteries of size AA to operate. I wish this remote control car would use a rechargeable battery instead of 3 standard AA batteries. Using 3 standard AA batteries increases the car's weight and impacts its speed. Now, it is the time to test this police pickup remote control car. Are you ready? This police remote control car offers decent speed. And, while this car does not tackle rough terrains, it shines on flat surfaces. However, it was difficult for me to make this RC car rotate. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, I encourage you to check out my other videos for more exciting content like this.